This is going to be super quick. I'm going to show you 3 different exercises that can help out your grip strength. And if you're trying to do a pull-up, this is going to help you prep for how to do a pull-up. All right, very simple to do. Now, the first one, it's just a hang. So position yourself where you have a bar overhead. All right, you can just reach up from the ground and just hang. All right, that's it. Just hang. As long as you can, even if it's just like 2-second intervals and drop, that counts. All right, so you could reach up and drop. Reach up and drop, or a hold. All right, having grip strength is essential. It carries over to so many different parts of life. Now, that's one. So the second one, you could do kind of a jumping approach. All right, so I'm here, and then you pull yourself up as high as you can, even if that just means it's barely at all, okay? So say you're on the floor, you get ready, you jump, and then back down. Whoops, almost lost my balance there, see? This is why you need to be on the floor. So that's another option. Another option, which is a little different, works your core more. You're gonna grab the bar and then start off with just one leg forward like this and alternate. So notice I'm still gripping the bar, only there's not as much resistance pulling down on the bar. All right, you're kind of easing into it here. And then you could start experimenting with on your tippy toes and just kind of feel, make reps out of it, okay? So you come up and then you come back down. You could kind of feel the amount of weight that's on your hands as opposed to your feet. Okay, so even without the leg raises or the full tuck, you could just feel it. Just lifting your toes off the ground, okay? You could just feel it. Or you could even do one toe. It's the same idea, all right? Wherever you need to start to taper into the movement. And that's really it. You keep doing that, even if you set a timer for like 5 minutes a day, or you ramp it up and make sets out of it, like 3 sets of each, and then you end up doing it in your normal workouts, 3 to 5 times a week or whatever it may be. My idea is you keep doing this consistently, you're gonna get better at it, and you're gonna be able to do a pull-up, I promise you. So hopefully this helps you out today. If it did, leave a like, helps the channel out, and subscribe for more workout tutorials. See you in the next one.